Hello students, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College Kannada. Now today's article is hexagonal closed pack structure. The specific hexagonal structure formed by magnesium is shown in figure. This is hexagonal closed pack structure. The unit cell contains one atom at each corner, one atom each at the center of hexagonal faces, and three more atoms within the body of the cell. Each atom touches three atoms in the layer below its plane, six atoms in its own plane, and the three atoms in the layer above. Hence, the coordination number of this structure is 12. Further, the atoms touch each other along the edges of the hexagonal. Thus, A is equal to 2R. This is hexagonal closed pack structure. The top layer contains 7 atoms. Each corner atom is shared by 6 surrounding hexagon cells, and the center atom is shared by 2 surrounding cells. The 3 atoms within the body of the cell and fully contributing to the unit cells. Thus the total number of atoms in the unit cell is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Volume of the unit cell. Area of the base is equal to 6 times the area of the triangle, which is shown in figure AOB. Now area of triangle, area of the base is 6 into a square upon by 2 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2 root 3 a square. Therefore volume of the cell is 3 by 2 root 3 a square C. Now coordination number n is equal to 12. Lattice constant A is equal to 2R. Nearest neighbor distance 2R is equal to A, and number of the atoms per unit cell is equal to 6. Therefore, the volume of all the atoms in the unit cell V is equal to 6 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Thus, the packing fraction is given by root 2 pi by 6, which is equal to pi by 3 root 2, which is equal to 0.74, or it is 74%. Magnesium, zinc, and cadmium crystalline in this structure. The packing factor of FCC and HCP, that is hexagonal close pack, are 74%, and hence they are known as closest packing structure. Now other cubic structures. Now one important structure is a diamond structure. This is a most important diamond structure. The diamond lattice can be considered to be formed by interpreting two FCC lattice along the body diagonal by 1/4 the cube each. One sublattice has its origin at the point 0, 0, 0, and other at point quarter of the way along the body diagonal at the point a by 4, a by 4, a by 4. The basic diamond lattice and the atomic position in the cubic cell of diamond projected on the cube face are shown in figure. This is figure. The fractions denote height about the base in unit of cubage. The point at 0 and half are on the abscissa lattice. Those at 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 are on the similar lattice displayed among the body diagonal by 1 by 4 of the cube edge. The packing fraction is equal to 34%. Now next is cubic zinc sulfide. The zinc sulfide structure is almost identical to the diamond structure except that the two interpenetrating FCC sublattices are of different atoms and displayed from each other by 1/4 of the body diagonal. The cubic zinc sulfide structure results when zinc atoms are placed on one face of FCC lattice and S atoms on the other FCC lattice as shown in figure. The conventional shell of this structure is a cube. There are 4 molecules per conventional shell. For each atom, there are 4 equally distinct atoms, opposite kind, arranged at a regular tetrahedron. The compounds which have cubic zinc sulfide structure are copper chloride, zinc sulfide, cadmium sulfide. This is zinc sulfide. Now next is sodium chloride structure. This is sodium chloride structure. These are the chloride. This is sodium structure. In sodium chloride, sodium loses in outer electrons and acquires an excess of positive charge, while the chlorine atom accepts one electron from sodium and becomes a negative ions. Now, due to the electrostatic forces between the excess charges, the two ions attract each other further due to the strong forces of repulsion. As their outer electron shells come into close proximity, the two ions cannot approach each other to within the less than certain distance. When attraction and repulsion balance equilibrium is obtained. Now this is structure of sodium chloride. Now when position of the sodium is half half half, then position of the chlorine is 0 0 0. If sodium is 0 0 half, then it is half half 0. If 0 half 0, then chloride is situated at half 0 half. When position of the sodium is half 0 0, then chloride is situated at 0 half half. Now next one is scacium chloride. The scacium chloride structure is shown like this. This is a cubic. Scacium is at the corners and chloride is at the center point. The structure is a cubic structure.